Hi, my name is Kalina Forsell. My app, Breadcrumbs Which Way, is designed to help people with hearing and sight difficulties get around buildings easier.
An estimated 103,000 people in Ireland are deaf or have hearing difficulties. 272,000 people are blind or visually impaired. 44% of Fightblindness.ie members said their visual impairment impacted them negatively in their careers or jobs. 38% stated that their vision had impacted their mobility to get around. I am new to coding and app development. Breadcrumbs Which Way uses your mobile phone camera to scan a QR code within a building. App users with hearing difficulties will have access to a floor plan of the building. Text directions will appear on screen or can be played by audio for those with visual impairments. Directions can be repeated as often as necessary to suit the user.
Breadcrumbs Which Way demo.
What's next for Breadcrumbs Which Way? My starting point is QR codes. I want to further develop my app and move on to RFID chips.
RFID chips will automatically be picked up by the app, so users will not have to locate the QR codes. I also hope to integrate more videos into my app so users with hearing difficulties will have the option to have directions communicated using ISL. Breadcrumbs Which Way is an immediate solution to promote Goal 11 of the UN Sustainability Goals. Breadcrumbs Which Way will transform existing buildings, making them inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable. People with sight and hearing difficulties will not have to wait for future, more inclusive development. Breadcrumbs Which Way is an immediate, transformative, responsive, and cost-effective. In my research, I have found other apps designed to support the visually impaired. These apps use scanners and AIs to inform users of text, currency, etc. One app does have a route function, however, it is for making a route you're taking rather than helping you navigate an unfamiliar route. I have chosen MIT App Inventor to create Breadcrumbs Which Way. I use different websites to create my QR codes and images. I wanted Breadcrumbs to be accessible to all users and not dependent on very high-tech mobile technologies. I also wanted my app to be independent of internet access. The fundamental structure of a building does not change dramatically. My app can give those with hearing and sight difficulties the security and reliability that they need. Breadcrumbs Which Way is designed initially for people with hearing and sight difficulties. Having developed my app, I can now see the value for people with autism, ADHD, and sensory difficulties.
I have been overwhelmed by the public response to my app. One lady wrote to me after reading an article in the paper. Personally, your work has touched me as I have a brother who is visually impaired, and it is wonderful to know that there are young scientists like yourself endeavouring to make our loved ones' lives that little bit easier.